In SAP Datasphere, task scheduling allows you to easily create and edit a schedule to run data integration tasks. This enables tasks to run automatically at regular intervals without requiring manual intervention. Now your data stays up to date without manual effort, freeing you up to focus on high-value work. Let's explore and see how scheduling works. In the left-hand panel, go to Monitoring. From the drop-down list, go to Data Integration and select the space you want to work in. Now go to the task chain and select the task you want to create a schedule for. In the top of the left panel, click on the Schedule drop-down. From here you can create a new schedule, edit an existing schedule or delete a schedule. Let's create a new schedule for this task chain. From the Create Schedule pop-up, you can customize your schedule in a variety of ways. First, select your setting type. You can create a simple schedule or a cron expression schedule. Let's create a simple schedule. Frequency is how often you want to run this task. Let's set a weekly schedule to run every Monday and Wednesday. Next, let's choose the time zone we want the schedule to be set in. UTC is the default setting, but you can choose your preferred time zone and location. Let's say your office is in Vancouver, and you want your tasks to run at 6 a.m. local time. The start date under date range is mandatory and is by default the date you are creating this schedule. You can also set different start and end dates for this schedule. If the end date is not selected, the schedule will run until you pause or stop it. Under Ownership, you can choose who will manage the schedule for this task. By default, the owner will be the business user who is creating the schedule. If you have technical users set up in your space, you can select a technical user. Let's keep the user type business user and ourselves as the owner of this schedule. We now have our basic schedule set up. On the right side, you can choose to pause your schedule and set the time zone where you want to see current information about your next run times. Let's suppose you have scheduled for Vancouver, but you are on a business trip to Berlin, so now your time zone has changed. In this case, you can set to view in your local time or your set time zone. Once you have finished, click Create. You can see your schedule under Scheduled Frequency. You can edit or delete your schedule simply by returning to the Schedule drop-down and select your changes. That's it for today. Check out help.sap.com for more information. Thanks for watching.